Hello my dear friends. As you know, in the last two videos we talked about dropshipping and horrifying products. If you missed those videos, you can find them at the top right hand corner of your screen and watch them right away. In this video I'm gonna go over how to list dropshipping products on Amazon. My friends, you can use three ways to list your products on Amazon. You can list your products manually, automatically, and sell on Amazon button. The first way, with a manual method, you need to list your products from zero. I mean, you'll have to fill out many options. I'm not gonna talk about this in this video. We'll go over this method later. The second way is to list your products automatically via third-party software. I mean, automatic product listing softwares. They can easily add many products to your Amazon stores. I'm not gonna talk about this option in this video either. Please no worries my friends, we'll talk about these methods later. In this video I'm gonna show you the sell on Amazon button. Actually, it'll automatically list your products. The only difference between this option and the automatic product listing software is that the product listing softwares can easily add many products to your Amazon stores at the same time. However, you can only list a single product with the sell on Amazon button at the same time. You need to do over and over again if you wanna add a lot of products to your Amazon stores. Actually, all of these three methods have pros and cons. I want to make another video regarding this. Okay my friends, let's list this product. You see, this is sell on Amazon button. All you have to do is just click on it, so it'll take you to the listing page. Let's click on it. As you can see, this is where we'll list. Here is the quantity field, which you will input how many units you want to sell. I suggest you input 2 or 3. That's because you dropship. Starting with low quantities is okay for you. The next is pricing. You should calculate your pricing carefully. I recommend the website called SaleCalc to calculate. As you can see, here is SaleCalc website and we'll choose Amazon. My friends, we need a cost section here, and you see cost to acquire. You will add product cost here from your supplier website. Let's assume you're gonna add $5. Let's assume your product price is $5 and cost to ship $2, and miscellaneous cost, if you have, you can add here. The next is category fee. There are a lot of categories here. So you can choose your category. You can also keep everything else. If your account is professional, you can tick this professional plan and no need to add anything here. And the next and final one is net profit. Net profit is your desired amount. You can add any profit you'd like, $5, $7, $10. It depends on your product and you. Let's add $4. You see, here is your final pricing. Once you click on it, just scroll up, you will see final pricing. Sale price $7.95 and shipping price $4.99. In the individual accounts there is only one shipping plan. It is default plan and default pricing is $4.99. Total $12.94 my friends. And in the professional accounts you can create many shipping plans with different shipping fees. You can also offer free shipping. It depends on you, my friends. This is your total pricing on Amazon. If you want, you can offer this pricing for the sale price and offer free shipping. If you don't want, just list this price and add shipping fee, which is $4.99 or any shipping fee. My friend, it's up to you. You will add your pricing here. You see, let's add 2 for the quantity field and $7.95 here. Offering condition type, this is new. You may also see used and something like that. We need to choose new as we want to do dropshipping. And also you see there are 2 options here. Always choose the first option, my friends. The first option is FBM, merchant fulfilled. You do dropshipping, so you need to choose the first option. The second option is for Amazon FBA sellers. Okay, you see merchant shipping group appeared. This is your shipping plan template. This is what I mentioned a few minutes ago. Remember, I mentioned about shipping plan. You can create many shipping plans in the professional accounts. If you have one, you will be able to create many shipping plans with different pricing. If not, you will see default shipping plan. Okay, you can choose whatever you want. That's it. No need to do anything. Okay, and then you're gonna click on save and finish. That's it, my friend. No need to do anything, and your item will be successfully listed. You will do the same tactic to other products. Hope you like my videos. If you like my videos, remember, hit the thumbs up button, share and subscribe to my channels. Thanks for watching my videos. See you in the next videos. Bye for now.